An essential element to achieving success is implementing a proper routine on a daily basis, as science and history points out. Although your daily routine might be healthy and productive, it can also be hectic and kill creativity, according to article in INC magazine. The magazine also points out that many successful people have dedicated a large part of their lives to no time. Stephen Kotler, author of the book The Art of the Impossible and a TED speaker, pointed out that no time has to do with a quiet moment in which a person can also isolate himself, herself, or themselves from the noise and demands of the world. It's no wonder that the internet is full of content related to the morning routines of important and famous figures, giving suggestions on how to add positive activities to your day-to-day life. In order to have a beneficial and satisfying life, it is advisable to take into account gratitude practices, nature walks, and connections with oneself, since they are backed by research that confirms that all these activities are good for people. Likewise, science indicates that no time is much needed in such a routine, because if you spend most of your day with all of these existing habits, it is unlikely you will have time for yourself. You don't have enough time for no time in your schedule. No time is also known as quiet time, alone, isolated from the noise and demands of the world, as Kotler describes. What Kotler writes, the no time is the term for that vast stretch of emptiness between 4 am when I start my morning writing session and 7:30 am when the rest of the world wakes up. This no time is a total darkness that does not belong to anyone but me. The urgent concerns of the day have not yet arrived, so there is time for that supreme luxury called patience. If a phrase takes 2 hours to get right, who cares? The pressure forces the brain to focus on the details, activating the left hemisphere and blocking the whole picture. Worse yet, when we are pressured, we are often stressed. We are unhappy with the rush, which embitters our mood and further restricts our focus. Being limited in time then can be kryptonite for creativity, he explains. In other words, no time helps us relax enough to see the big picture and allow innovative ideas to come to light. The hustle and bustle brought on by everyday life, even your well-intentioned morning yoga class, can chase away the timid and ungainly ideas of emerging thoughts. Steve Jobs and Albert Einstein agrees on no time concept, despite the fact that Kotler considers himself an expert on the neuroscience of creativity. Many successful figures have also understood the same truth. Albert Einstein accepted that many times the most valuable ideas occurred to him while doing nothing and enjoying his own no time. Steve Jobs was also a famous bum. The time Steve Jobs procrastinated and pondered the possibilities was time well spent letting more diverse ideas emerge. Wharton professor Adam Grant once told Business Insider of Jobs' long periods of aimless inactivity. It is worth mentioning that both geniuses, Einstein and Jobs, managed to do a great job of putting their ideas into practice. Not only is no time enough to be able to change the world, it is an essential ingredient and a part of the whole. When you are planning the perfect morning routine, it is easy not to give no time the attention it deserves, but you should definitely always include it in your everyday life. You will see a change in the way you think and create and achieve a more successful version of yourself.